Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Dollar General, a place we have not been in a while. And the reason we have not been to Dollar General is because all of my Dollar Generals have been cleared of stock for months. They have some serious supply chain issues, and y'all, these stores have been empty. I actually came to film this video yesterday at the stores by my house, and there was no paper products to be found. So I came to a different area today so that I could at least find a few paper products to put a deal together. But before you go to the store, you definitely want to check the Dollar General app or call your store to make sure that they have stock if your area is like. So the reason I wanted to come in store is because this week we got some brand new digital coupons. I will put them up on the screen for $1 off paper products. We got $1 off the Cottonelle, $1 off the Scott paper towels, and we also have $1 off the Kleenex and the Scott toilet paper. So we are going to be combining those coupon savings with this deal right here where you save $4 instantly when you spend $20 on these products as well. So we're going to grab $20 in products. So before I go into the deal that I'm going to end up doing because of the lack of inventory, let me tell you about the deal that I had planned on doing in case your store looks better than mine. So the first thing I wanted to grab was the Scott paper towels. So those are $5.50, and we got that $1 digital. My store is out of those. Then I was going to grab 2 of these Cottonelle. So we have the $1 digital coupon on these, but we also have $1 back on the coupons app. And we also have a $1 paper coupon. So you could use whatever mixture of those, but I wanted to grab 2 of these. And then I wanted to grab just 1 of these Scott toilet paper, the 12 rolls, because we have a $1 digital coupon on this as well. So y'all just pretend that this is a 6-pack of Scott paper towels. Y'all work with me, but I have that as a placeholder so you can see how this deal looks. So these 4 products would total you up to $20.50. You're going to use a $1 digital coupon on each product. That is going to leave you to pay just $13.50 after that $4.50 in instant savings. So you're starting at $20.50, then you got $3 in digital coupons, and you got $4 in instant savings. That leaves you to pay $13.50. But then you're also going to submit back to the coupons app for whichever one you get. So you can submit back for $1 on the Scott or $1 on the Cottonelle, and that is going to bring you down to $12.50 for all 4 items. We also have a nice fetch offer for spend $25, get back $5. So definitely scan your receipts in as well, because if you pick up $25 worth, you can also get back $5 in additional cash back from Fetch Rewards. So this is how I'm going to do my deal since my store does not have a lot of stock to work with. So I am going to pick up 1 of the Cottonelle for $5, use that $1 digital. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Scott products. I'm going to submit back to the coupons app for this one to get $1 back. Then I'm going to pick up 1 of the Scott. I'll be using a $1 digital. This is $5. This one is $7.50. And then I am going to get 1 of these 2 packs of Scott paper towels for $3. We have no coupons that will apply to that one. So my total before coupons and instant savings for this deal is also $20.50. I am going to have that $4 in instant savings come off, which is going to bring us down to $16.50. I am going to have $2 in digital coupons, 1 for the Cottonelle, 1 for the Scott toilet paper, which is going to bring me down to $14.50. Then I'm also going to submit back for $1 on the coupons app, which is going to make it $13.50 for all 4 items. Now I'm also going to be factoring in a 3 off of 15 coupon because I do have 1 of those. So that should make my final cost for this deal just $10.50. Now you don't need a 3 off of 15 to do this deal. You can actually wait until Saturday and use a 5 off of 25 as well. If you were going to wait until Saturday to do this with a 5 off of 25, then this would give you $16.50 towards your 5 off of 25. So you're still going to need a little bit more product in order to meet that $25 threshold, but this gives you a really good head start with that coupon. And if you are checking your account for a 3 off of 15 coupon, remember that you can only check on the app in that just for you section. They don't show up in the general list. Or if you were just going to wait until Saturday, everyone gets that 5 off of 25, so you don't have to worry about having a 3 off of 15. Or you can just go and do this deal if you want to make sure that you can get it before Saturday, because if your stores are like mine, paper products are hard to come by. So I'm about to go check out with these paper products. Let's see how everything works. Right, you guys, so here is how my paper transaction went. Everything went perfectly. So I ended up paying $11.50 plus tax. Here is a close-up of my receipt. And then I did submit back to the coupons app. I was able to submit back for $2 total. Now I know I'll get at least $1, but I'm not sure about the other one, but we will see. If I do get $2 back, then that will make this deal only $9.50, which is really good. And then I also submitted back to Fetch Rewards, and I'm halfway there as far as getting my $5 back. So if I was to do this deal again, I would also get back $5 from Fetch Rewards. So keep that in mind if you do want to build yourself out a bigger transaction for Saturday doing this Fetch offer. So that's it, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all for watching today's video. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.